Hello everyone, I am Advocate Akhil Solanki, associate with Dial Easy. So in this video, we're going to discuss about a very serious topic, which is constitutionality of collegium system in India. So the collegium system is a system under which appointments and elevations of judges and lawyers to the Supreme Court and High Courts and the transfer of judges from the High Court to the Apex Court take place. So this involves the Chief Justice and four senior most Supreme Court judges. This system was created to ensure transparency and impartiality in the selection of judges. So this system has been subject to debates and heated discussions and has its own pros and cons. So the judiciary's stark silence on arbitrary state action and its failure in protecting citizens' rights shows that the collegium system has been ineffective in maintaining the independence of the judiciary from the government. So this causes the judicial system, and the system has been subject to discussions and has its own, pros and cons. So all the mechanism for appointing judges have some strength and weaknesses. So no particular system can be considered to be the best one. Nevertheless, the commission system is probably a very effective mechanism for the appointment of judges, as it maintains public confidence in the appointment system and ensures judicial independence. So in a democratic society, the legislative branch is accountable to the people, the executive branch is accountable to the legislature. So the legislative and judicial branches are constitutionally accountable to the people, as they say, total power is completely corrupted. So thank you. See you next video with some more information.